Hi guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to accept follow request on Threads. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and let's jump into video. First you need to open Threads in your mobile phone. It can be both iPhone or Android. Don't worry, this is not web version, this is Android emulator. So after opening your Threads app, what you need to do is go to down. You can see heart icon is here, right here. Just tap on it. Sorry about that. Yeah, then after you are redirected you to activity section. In activity section there are a lot of options here. You can see follows and replies, mentions, quotes, reposts kind of thing. You need to tap on all button here, then you will see follow request is appeared here. Now currently I don't have any follow request here. If you see some kind of follow request you can just tap on accept button here. Now it is as follow, that mean not a follow request. Follow request has accept button. You just tap on accept, then you will accept that follow request. And if you need to find about that person, what you need to do is just tap on his name, then you will redirect you to his profile, and then you can accept or not. And if you search someone and you need to follow, what you need to do is just tap on this name, then you are redirect you to search here. Just tap on search and you can search anyone. Yeah, you can find by words or using letter also. And if you need to follow this person, what you need to do is just tap on follow icon, then it will be changed to requested. And if that person is accept your request, then you will follow that person. So yeah, this is how you can accept follow request and search someone and send the follow request. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please give a like and subscribe my channel.